To use the Cash Flow feature, go to Management, Cash Flow. Use this selection to produce a cash flow report for the purpose of cash flow analysis. Essentially, cash flow is defined as the movement of money in and out of your business. Let's review the cash flow window elements. The description column lists all valid cash flow accounts. Cash inflow accounts are used to break down all cash coming into the operation during the current fiscal year, and cash outflow accounts are used to break down all cash going out of the operation during the fiscal year. The accounts listed here are set up in the chart of accounts. On the cash flow entry form, each column in the spreadsheet corresponds to a cash flow period, and each row corresponds with an account. To enter a cash flow amount for a particular account, locate the account, and then enter the values for each cash flow period in the appropriate column. If you aren't entering cash flow values for an individual period, you can enter the total amount for the account in the last period, period 12. Only 3 cash flow periods are displayed at one time. To view additional cash flow periods, use the horizontal scroll bar to scroll left or right. The summary column displays the total for each account. The last year column is displayed to the right of the summary column. To switch the view button between the last year values and the summary values, use the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of the column. The autofill feature can be used to automatically enter values into the cash flow. You may autofill cash flow values for entire rows, columns, or the entire spreadsheet. If you are autofilling values for a row or a column, you must first click on the appropriate row or column. To specify the autofill method, click on the Autofill button on the Cash Flow dialog window. Make your selection and select the Apply button. The Clear button allows you to quickly erase multiple values from the cash flow spreadsheet. To use the Clear feature, you must first click on a row or column to be cleared. The Cash Flow Clear window elements include row, column, and the entire worksheet. The Print button allows you to generate a cash flow report. Select the report periods to display. The options include monthly or quarterly. If you want to display all accounts on your report, click on Show Accounts with Zero Balances. Click Generate to display the report on the screen. The Cash Flow Setup dialog window allows you to set up preferences for the cash flow. The account mapping option is only available on a projected cash flow, as all accounts are used in the actual cash flow. The account mapping section allows you to choose the accounts to be included on the cash flow, as well as the sections that the accounts will appear in. To change an account mapping, select the appropriate account from the list of accounts, and then select which cash flow sections the account should appear in. If an account should not be displayed in the cash flow, click on Clear Cash Flow Sections. Click Reset Defaults to turn all accounts to the default mappings. The View section allows you to change display options for the last year column and the inventory rows in the cash flow. The options include Show the Last Year column or Hide the Last Year column, as well as Show the Inventory rows in projected mode or Hide the Inventory rows in projected mode. Make your selection and select Save. You can choose to see either your cash flow projection or your actual cash flow report. Simply click on the type of cash flow you would like to view. Using the fiscal year drop-down list, you may generate a projected cash flow or view an actual cash flow for any year on record. The Save button saves information, but does not close the cash flow window. To close the cash flow window, click Cancel.